Today, we will be discussing the metabolism of alcohol in our body, the topic number 1. So, what happens when you drink alcohol during metabolism process? The chemical breakdown of alcohol happens, and the chemical name for alcohol is ethanol or CH3CH2OH. The body processes and eliminates ethanol in separate steps. Chemical called enzymes help to break apart the ethanol molecule into other compound or metabolites, which can be processed more easily by the body. Some of these intermediates metabolize and can have harmful effects on our body. Most of the ethanol in the body is broken down in the liver by an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase or ADH, which transforms ethanol into toxic compound called acetaldehyde, which is CH3CHO, a known carcinogen. However, acetaldehyde is generally short-lived. It quickly broken down to less toxic compound called acetate or CH3COO by another enzyme called aldehyde dehydrogenase or ALDH. Acetate is then broken down to carbon dioxide and water, mainly in tissues and other than the liver. After you drink or swallow an alcoholic drink, about 25% of the alcohol is absorbed straight from your stomach into the bloodstream. The rest is mostly absorbed from the small bowel. How quickly you absorb the alcohol depends on several factors, including the concentration of alcohol in your drink. Drinks with higher concentration are generally absorbed faster. Whether your drink is carbonated, whether your stomach is full or empty. Once alcohol is entered in your bloodstream, it remains in your body until it is processed. About 90 to 98% of the alcohol you drink is broken down in your liver. How does my liver process the alcohol? There are two ways that the alcohol can be processed by your liver. Most alcohol is broken down or metabolized by an enzyme in your liver known as dehydrogenase or ADH. ADH breaks down alcohol into acetaldehyde and then another enzyme, acetaldehyde dehydrogenase or aldehyde dehydrogenase or ALDH rapidly breaks down acetaldehyde into acetate. Then, acetate is further metabolized and eventually lives in your body as a carbon dioxide and water. Small amount of alcohol may be processed using different set of enzymes in your liver. This alternative pathway is known as microsomal ethanol oxidizing system. Is mainly used when the level of the alcohol in your body is very high. Regular drinking is or can increase the activity of the second pathway. So this is the illustration of how metabolism process. So after the absorption, the metabolism occurs. The ADH enzyme metabolizes alcohol, and then during alcohol metabolism, acetaldehyde, a toxic carcinogenic compound, is produced. The acetaldehyde is the main source of alcohol hangovers, causing symptoms such as headache, fatigue, muscle pain, nausea, and facial flushing and heart pounding. And then it goes to ALDH enzyme metabolizes acetaldehyde to acetate. So this is the fun facts of metabolism of alcohol. Some alcohol metabolism also occurs in other tissues including pancreas and the brain, causing damage to cells and tissues. When alcohol is metabolized by the enzyme catalase, enzyme 2E1, the brain may produce acetaldehyde, and then the other 2 to 10% of the alcohol is removed in your urine, breathed out through your lungs, or excreted in your sweat. The average person will take about an hour to process 10 grams of the alcohol, which is the amount of the alcohol in the standard drinking. So if you drink alcohol faster than your body can process, your blood alcohol level will continue to rise. So that's the fun fact for metabolism of alcohol. In addition, a lot of us question why can't some people tolerate alcohol? And the answer is genetic variation can result to activity of ADH and ALDH, which the enzyme we need to process alcohol, varying from person to person. So in different people, the enzyme may be more or less efficient at breaking down alcohol. So that would be all.
The next topic will be the mechanism of antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are substances that can protect and prevent damaged cells caused by certain free radicals. Its natural resources can be found in fruits and vegetables.
Blueberries are said to be the highest of any fruit for antioxidant, and 1 cup of blueberries delivers 14% of recommended daily dose of fiber and vitamin C.
The body also produces some antioxidant known as endogenous antioxidant, while antioxidants that come from outside the body are called exogenous. Free radicals are waste substances produced by cells as the body processes foods and reacts to the environment. If the body cannot process and remove free radicals efficiently, oxidative stress can result, and this can harm cells and body function. Free radicals are also known as reactive oxygen species. Oxidative stress has been linked to heart disease, cancer, arthritis, stroke, respiratory diseases, immune deficiency, emphysema, Parkinson's disease, and other inflammatory ischemic conditions, while antioxidants are said to help neutralize free radicals in our bodies, and this is thought to boost overall health. So this is what we call the oxidative stress.
Normal cells are being attacked by free radicals. Free radicals are those toxins that we get from certain unhealthy foods. Special sources or other sources can be found in exposure to ozone, X-ray, industrial chemicals, and air pollutants. So this activity causes a cell damage. Free radicals cause oxidative damage because they oxidize or take electrons from other molecules to obtain a stable structure. So antioxidants prevent oxidative damage by donating electrons to free radicals.
These are examples of antioxidants. First, we have exogenous antioxidant or supplements. We have glutathione, which is the most powerful antioxidant. Lutein, that is good for the eyes. Selenium, which is synergistic with vitamin E. Resveratrol, astaxanthin. While exogenous antioxidants are those antioxidants that can be found outside in the body. These are vitamin A, E, C, and carotenoids.
The three most important antioxidants are beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. You'll be able to find them in such colorful fruits, especially with those purple, blue, red, orange, and yellow hues.
Next, we have the rationale behind the iodine antioxidant reaction. Iodide or iodine can act as electron donor and consequently be effective as antioxidant and scavenger of free radicals. R usually represent the aggressive hydroxyl radical OH, in which in this reaction the extremely tissue toxic OH is scavenged and transformed into a harmless OH or hydroxyl ion. The antioxidant reaction can also be directed against H2O2 and other peroxides, including lipid peroxides. The emerging iodine radical is immediately converted to molecular iodine and can be effective as an oxidant or can be reduced to iodide by the relatively alkaline environment of the body. It can also be incorporated into organic compounds. So the oxidizing property of 1,2 can be seen in its antiseptic and bactericidal effect. So let's have some fun facts. Antioxidant is not really the name of a substance, but rather it describes what a range of substances can do. Health benefits. Antioxidant can protect vision in the eyes, reduce the effect of aging on the skin, slow the effects of aging by reducing free radical damage, help prevent stroke and heart diseases, decrease the risk of cancer, and can prevent cognitive decline such as dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and E boost our immune system. It lowers the level of LDL cholesterol, thus preventing plaque deposition in the blood vessel. Neutralizes certain cells that can damage the genetic material by oxidation.
Other additional benefits of antioxidant is that it supports kidney function, it improves nervous and respiratory system, improves quality of sleep, and reduce obesity and protect liver.
So antioxidants have a lot of benefits and very essential in one's health. But we need to keep in mind that we don't need to rely on supplemental antioxidant to maintain a healthy lifestyle or to counteract a poor nutrition. Natural sources in fruits and vegetables would be more effective and more healthier. Let us just be mindful of the food we eat to protect our body against the occurrence of toxins.
Antioxidants work to fight off free radical damage by preventing oxidative stress that causes diseases. So, in order to prolong and maintain one's health, fruit and vegetables will be our sources.